Hello guys, welcome everybody to my videos. Today I am going to discuss something important from English literature's book Beehive for the CBSE students of class 9. The name of the chapter is Race for the Top. Some important short questions are like that. So question number 1. Name the only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice. The answer will be Santosh Yadav. In question number 2. In which type of society was Santosh Yadav born? Santosh Yadav was born in such a society where birth of a son or male children was regarded as a blessing and the girls were generally not welcome. In question number 3, at which village was Santosh Yadav born? The name of the village where Santosh Yadav was born is Joniawas in the district of Rewari in Haryana state. Next question, write the meaning of the word Santosh. Santosh means Santushti, Hindustani word that is contentment or satisfaction. How did Santosh start her life? She started her life on her own terms. When Santosh's parents refused to pay for her education, how did she show her reactions? Here, dear students, Santosh Yadav was not provided for the first times of her tuition fees for her educations, and her parents are not ready to give it. Then Santosh Yadav simply informed them that that is his family that she would earn money working part-time to pay her education. So here it is expressed that Santosh Yadav was so much interested in taking educations. That's why he had to start her life as a terms of his own. Next question number 7. Whose life did Santosh Yadav save sharing her oxygen with him? So here's the name of the person is Mohan Singh. The fact is, when they were climbing mountain, then Mohan Singh was in danger because his oxygen was ended, and Santosh Yadav in such situation provided oxygen from her own cylinders, and thus she saved his life, that is life of Mohan Singh. In question number 8, how much garbage did Santosh bring down from the Himalayas? About 500 kilograms, garbages were brought down by Santosh Yadav from the Himalayan range. Question number 9. In which year did Maria Sharapova win the women's single at Wimbledon? Here's nothing is to explain. The right is simply the year in 2004. Which top honor was Santosh Yadav bestowed by the government of India? The government of India bestowed Santosh Jadhav the top the Padma Award. Name the fathers and mothers of Maria Sharapova. The name of fathers and Maria Sharapova was Yuri and Elena respectively. What were Maria's hobbies? Some of the most important hobbies of Maria were listing fashion, singing, and dancing. Last question is at what age did Maria leave for Florida with her father? Florida was only of 10 years old when she left for Florida for the success in her life. Thank you very much.